Hello everyone, I'm Zilla and welcome to my channel. On this channel I aim to inspire women to look and feel good about themselves. But before I get into this video, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching fashion, travel and lifestyle videos. And don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Zilla. Well, today I've got a very exciting video to share with you guys. I'm really excited. It's a Mother's Day present that I bought for myself, and I didn't think that this gift would arrive so soon. I ordered it through My Teresa and it is a bag, but before I pronounce the word, I think it is Loewe, but let's hear how Google suggests we pronounce this brand name.
You're looking at how to pronounce the name of Spanish luxury fashion house specializing in leather goods, clothing, perfumes and other fashion accessories, and founded in 1846. How do you go about pronouncing this name? It's not Loewe, but rather Loewe.
Loewe, that's what it sounds like to me, but look, I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. Okay, let's get straight into this video and I'll do a bit of an unboxing and I'll talk you through and I'll tell you the price and everything that you need to know about this gorgeous Loewe bag. Look at how big this box is. It is absolutely massive. And I got a few messages from DHL and even email. And in their email and their messages, they just ask if you could authorize delivery without a signature. And I'm like, hell no, there's no way that I'm gonna allow them to deliver this parcel or this beautiful bag without a signature. And yeah, so I was very excited when I got the message this morning and they said that it was going to be delivered today. I ordered this bag last week Thursday and it was the 29th of May, and they sent me a confirmation email on Thursday saying your order confirmation and all the details. And then on Friday they said the order had been packed, and then I got shipping confirmation from them on Friday as well. So I must say that that was very quick. I was really surprised by how fast this order arrived. This box is massive. It's got that little tongue. That's how they've packaged it. How beautiful is that? So now, careful girl. It's got a lot of packaging around it, which is really good. It prevents the bag from moving around and getting damaged. So I think that's really good. Really packaged beautifully. And oh my god, it's so light. I don't know why I was expecting it to be a bit heavier. And then it says, thank you, this package has been lovingly wrapped by, look, I'm sorry I can't pronounce this name, but the name of the person that's packaged this is on here. Thank you very much. And that's what it looks like. Just comes with a little, oh my goodness, in its own little dust bag with the logo on it there. Loewe. Is that it? I'm not sure if that's the correct way to pronounce it. Loewe. So that is a little tag, or stupa. That's what we used to say in South Africa. So let's go ahead and take this bag out of its dust bag. And I'm trying to be really careful. Okay, open the drawstring and then you'll be able to take the bag out. How beautiful is this bag? And I ordered the small because I am petite and I'm 147 centimeters, and that's quite short. And I didn't want the very big one. This is just perfect if you're petite. But it depends what you're going to use it for. I can see myself using this bag in spring and in summer. I can use it, I think I'll wear it, take it to the shops, and if I go to the beach or on a picnic or just go out for lunch, it is absolutely beautiful. Here's a different version of this bag, and I believe it's got like a leather trim on the top. It's got like a brown trim on the top there. And this bag, it says it's new, and this one costs $990. And it says inlay basket bag in palm leaf and calf skin. So there's different types of bags and different colors. This bag comes in a variety of colors. I've seen it in white, I've seen it in blue, and I've seen it in tan, and I believe it comes in yellow as well. And sorry, I'm just scrolling just to show you the different colors. I'm going to show you the different colors, and that's the one in blue. So that's the white one. Sorry, it took a bit of time to adjust, but that's the white one. It's the yellow. It's great that this bag comes in a variety of colors. I mean, you know, you might not like the tan. I believe I've seen it in the black as well. And this, like I said, this one, the Loewe, this one is actually the small. Like I said, I'm petite, so I think it's perfect for my petite frame. And I don't like to carry a bag that's really big and a bag that's heavy, so this is going to be perfect for me. And like I said, it comes in different colors. It comes in the medium and it comes in the large. And by the way, I live in Australia. Kmart here in Australia came out with a bag that's very similar to this bag. And you know what, people go crazy for anything from Kmart. And I looked at it, but it was a little bit too big for me. Before I bought this bag, I did watch a few YouTube videos and I read up a little bit about this bag. I'm sure you're aware that the Loewe is a Spanish brand, and these bags, all these bags are handmade, and according to everybody, they say that the bags are vary in colors. The colors are slightly different, and like I said, it's got the tan strap, adjustable strap. It's got little hooks, holes in there, punched holes. I'm sure you can see those holes. So you can actually adjust the strap, and let's just have a look inside the bag. This is what the bag looks like inside. It's got the Loewe tag on it, and this is the dust bag. Or maybe this is the insert. I think this might be the insert because you saw me taking it out of the dust bag. So we'll just have a quick look at this. Okay. It says that Well, also sister, whatever, natural basket, small bag, natural. So it's got this bag as well. I'm not sure if it's an insert or a dust bag with the Loewe on it. And this bag says, please note, returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. So it's got this little tag on the bag that has got to remain attached if you want to return this bag. I don't believe I'll be returning this bag at all. And like I said, it's got those holes punched in, so the strap is adjustable. And then it has that kind of a loop that you can put it through. You can weave the bag. That's what the inside of the bag looks like. It's got the logo on there as well. It's not easy to see, but yes, it's got a little Loewe logo on there. And that's basically the inside of this beautiful bag. And I've said it's adjustable strap, and this is made, I think, from palm leaves. I stand to be corrected, but I believe it's made all beautiful natural material. And it smells lovely. I love the smell of it. Oh wow, I love the smell. And the finishing is really good. It doesn't seem to have any pulls or anything that's out of the ordinary. So let's just have a quick look at how this bag can be. How would I adjust this bag? I think it goes through there. If you were to adjust the bag, let me start again. You push it through there, depending how long or how short you want it to be. I'll probably have it a bit shorter because I'm petite, and you push it through those holes, and it went in quite easily. Loewe small basket bag. Like I said, the tan, I took it in with the tan trim and leather handle, and I did the same thing. I just threaded this one through at the back, and you push it in there. This is just what's written on here. Of course, it's got all the details. Elegance is the balance between proportion, emotion, and surprise. Valentino Garavani. I hope I pronounced that correctly. So yeah, that's just a little bit more about the bag, and you know, it's got the exchange and return form, and I've returned stuff to them in the past, and it's been really simple. So it's been really quick and easy. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend ordering from My Teresa, because I have ordered from them in the past and I've had no problems. You know, basket bags are all the rage for spring and summer. If you're looking for a basket bag, you can look on eBay. There are cheaper options or versions of this bag, very similar ones. I think Mango had a bag as well that looked very similar to this bag, but I couldn't find the one on Mango. And you know what, I'm just spoiling myself. Like I said, I'm loving this designer brands at the moment, and that's why I went for this Loewe bag. But you might want to buy a cheaper version, and like I said, I have heard that Mango had one. I've seen them at Kmart. I don't know if Kmart still got them in stock. I know that they had them online, I think Amazon. it just occurred to me that I had threaded this bag differently. I took this and I put it over like that, instead of taking the strap and threading it that way. That's the way I was meant to thread it, and I actually threaded it a different way. So it goes down like that, and you've got the holes depending how long or how short you want it to be. Well guys, we've come to the end of another video. If you've enjoyed my Loewe bag unboxing video, and by the way, I hope I pronounced that correctly. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press a little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Sala.